Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Trading for Beginners. Today in this video, we will be learning how to contact OctaTrading customer service using the Octa application on your mobile device. So in order to do that, first of all, open up the Octa app on your phone and then sign in with your credentials. After logging in, tap the More button at the bottom right hand corner. Within the More menu, tap on the speech bubble icon at the top right in front of the gear button. This will then take you to this help page where you can tap on Send Us a Message. Right after you do that, you will see a chat box appearing. Type in your issues in the text box and then send it to the customer support team. Most agents are available 24/7, and after you do that, you can reach out to the customer service whenever you need help operating the platform. Whether it's a technical problem or just a quick question, you can simply type it down in the text box and send it to the customer support team. You will then instantly hear from them. Simply follow through the instructions and you will be able to get necessary help and guidance. So that's how you easily contact OctaTrading customer support. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel for more easy tutorials like this. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.